Hi, welcome. This is the simulation of an IR sensor designed in Multisim. This whole circuit shows the receiver part of the IR sensor. Now going to the explanation of each component. The first component is the R1 resistor, which is a variable resistance with a higher resistance value of 40 kilo ohms. This one is used to indicate the photodiode of the receiver section, which is in reverse biased. Now it is in the maximum resistance. The maximum resistance shows that there is no IR rays, the reflected IR rays are not falling on the photodiode. The R2 resistance is used to create a voltage corresponding to the current passed by the photodiode when IR rays starts falling on it. When no IR rays are falling on it, the maximum resistance is there, so there will be very less current passing through it. The R3 and R4 is a voltage divider configuration used to create a reference voltage equivalent to the 5 cm range, which is the detection range of the IR sensor being designed. This R5 and R6 is also in voltage divider configuration used to create a reference voltage equivalent to the 10 cm. So the actual detection range of the IR sensor is 5 cm to 10 cm. The op-amps U1A and U1B are used for voltage comparison, that is, the voltage created by the reception of IR sensors across the photodiode is given to the op-amps, and it is compared with the reference voltages of 5 cm, and in this op-amp it is compared with the reference voltage of 10 cm. If the voltages are in the permissible range, then the op-amps will be turned on and the corresponding output will be seen on the LEDs. Now going for the simulation. Now the LED is in maximum resistance, showing that no IR rays are falling on the photodiode, meaning no obstacles is in the range. So reducing the resistance now, so the voltage across the R2 resistor shown by the XMM1 potentiometer, it is increasing, so it indicates that IR rays are falling on it, the reflected IR rays are falling on the photodiode. So now it is in out of range, that is the 10 cm value is 1.25, and here the value across the R2 resistance is 1.247. Now we are decreasing, so now the voltage is greater than 1.25, meaning that an object is detected in the range of less than 10 cm. So the LED is on. Now going on, reducing the resistance, so the object is coming near, that's why the resistance is getting low. So the voltage is increasing now, and it comes to the range of 2.35 volt, that is for the 5 cm range. So the voltage is greater than 2.35, hence there is no output. It means that the object is between 5 cm, the distance between the object and the sensor is less than 5 cm, hence this sensor won't be detecting it. This is a simulation for the IR sensor receiver part. Thank you.